Hi Lydia. Hope you're doing well and the homeschool's going okay for you. I bet Mom's being a great teacher and I bet you're being a brilliant student. Keep up the good work now and hopefully we'll be back to school soon because I miss you a lot. Um, I'm just going to show you your maths page today and just show you a few videos to help you. Might make it a bit easier for you because it's a bit new. So I have page 19 up, that's the page you're doing today. And what you're doing in question 1 is regrouping the units as tens. Okay, sorry, wrong page there now. So you've done that before where you've had too many units and you need to group it into tens and units. So that's what you're doing here. In question 1, you don't have to worry about the hundreds at all. Okay, they're going to stay where they are. So I'm just going to show you a quick little video on how to do it. So we have 300 euro notes plus three 10 euro notes or 30 euro plus 18 single 1 euro coins. Okay, imagine having all those coins in your pocket. Very heavy and awkward. There's an easier way. So let's group 10 of those 1 euro coins together and swap them for a 10 euro note. Now we have 300s plus four tens or 40 plus 8 units, single 1 euro coins. Okay, much neater, much easier to carry around. 300s plus four tens plus 8 units is 348 or 348 euro. Okay, so we'll go back to our page now and we're going to do the same. So in the first one, you have 200s, 8 tens, and 14 units. So you can see already that's too many units. Okay, if you've more than 9 units, you have to regroup. So you're going to regroup that 10 in the units over to the tens place. That's where it belongs. Okay, so when you bring that 10 over, you will now have 9 tens. Okay, because you already had 8 and one more makes 9. So your 200s stay the same. We've 9 tens now. And how many units have you left? 4 units. Okay, so that answer is 294. Okay, right, so we look at the next one. You have 300s, 4 tens, and 18 units. Okay, again, 18 units is too many units. You need to regroup them. So you're going to regroup into tens and units. You'll be bringing this 10 over to the tens place. So if you had 4 tens and you're adding one more, you'll now have 5 tens. And how many units left over? 8. 8 units left over. Your hundreds stay the same. So your answer is 358. 58. Okay, so just all the way down then, renaming your units as tens and units. Okay, letter D there has no tens, but that will change when you regroup those units. Okay, 13 units and 19 units. So you're regrouping all of those into tens and units. Okay, then we're going to come down and look at question 2. So this one is different now. Your units are fine. There's only a small amount of units in each question, but there's too many tens. We're going to be regrouping the tens as hundreds. Okay? To watch a small video on how that works. So regrouping tens as hundreds and tens. We have two 100 euro notes plus 14 tens, 10 euro notes, or that's the same as 140 euro plus 6 single 1 euro coins. So that's an awful lot of 10 euro notes. Can we make it neater? Let's group 10 of them together and swap them for a 100 euro note, because 10 tens makes 100 if you count up 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. You have 100. So we took 10 of those 10 euro notes and swapped it for a 100 euro note. Makes it much easier. So we regrouped it over to the hundreds. So now we have 300 euro notes, 100 euros, plus 4 10 euro notes. So that's 40 euro, plus 6 single 1 euro coins. Much neater. So now it's very easy. 300 plus 4 tens plus 6 units is 346. 346 euro. Okay. So the first one here, 114 tens and 6 units. We're regrouping that 14 tens. We're taking 10 of those tens, 10 euro notes, and swapping them for 100 euro notes, bringing them over here to the hundreds. So that leaves you with 200 now. So you had 100 and you're bringing one more over. So 200s, 4 tens left over once you've regrouped, and we don't do anything to the units. They're fine, they stay the same, 6 units. So that's 246. And the next one then I'll do for you, 300s plus 15 tens plus 1 unit. So that 15 tens is the same as 150. Too many tens, we need to regroup them over. So take 10 of those tens out of it, group them together, and make a 100 euro note instead. Okay, so we're bringing that over to the hundreds. So instead of 300s now, you have one extra coming over, so that's 400s now. And once you've taken 10 away from the 15 tens, you have 5 tens left over. So 400s, 5 tens, and then you have 1 unit. We don't change that, that's fine. 451. Okay, so you'll do that the whole way down. There's too many tens in all of them. Okay, you need to take 10 of them away. 10 of them makes 100. You need to regroup and swap for a 100 euro note instead. Okay, and that's it. And then your challenge, 100 plus 25 tens plus 3 units. 25 tens is a huge amount, so that actually would get you 200 euro notes there. That's 250, 25 tens, to take 2 bundles of 10 out and swap them for 200 euro notes. Okay, best of luck with that, and let me know if you have any problems or any questions, and I'll chat to you soon. Have a nice day. Bye.